Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Manjaro Linux 26 on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to Manjaro Linux official website. It is manjaro.wars. Then click on download. See here we have different editions: KDE Plasma, XFCE, GNOME, community images like Cinnamon, i3 Windows Managers, SWA, WM. But the installation process is same for all. In this video, I am going to download and install this KDE Plasma. So click on download. See, download started. Go to download. See here, its size is about 5.3 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here, I have already downloaded Manjaro KDE 26. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Now click on new or machine and select new to create new virtual machine. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on drop down and select other. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Now select the downloaded ISO image. Click on drop down and select other. Then select the downloaded ISO image. Then click on open. See, once you selected above options, OS change it to Linux, OS distribution to Manjaro, OS version as Manjaro 64-bit. Don't select the checkbox, that is proceed with the unattended installation. Keep it as unselected. Then come to virtual hardware. I am giving memory as 4 gigabytes. Number of CPU cores 2. Then virtual hard disk size I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on finish. Still if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or select it and click on settings, or go to machine and select settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start, or right click and select start. Then start with GUI. Either is fine. Click on start. Boot with open source drivers and hit enter. Close this one. Now see here on the desktop we have the install Manjaro Linux. Right click and select open with Cat, or just select it and hit enter, or you can double click on it to open. Now select the language and click on next. Select your location from the globe. Based on this, time zone will change, or you can select from this drop down list for both. Okay, then click on next. I am going with the default, so click on next. Keyboard model or keyboard. See here we have different options. You can select any one of them based on requirement. Then language. Okay, next. This is the fresh installation. Okay, I am going to select erase disk. Then select the bootloader location. See here we have these options. Then click on next. Now we have to create or set up user. I am giving username as R2schools. This is not username, this is user full name. This is the username or login name. Then provide the host name or computer name. Later also you can change it. I am giving. Then set the password for this account. Then login automatically. Use same password for administrator. Otherwise, if you don't select this one, you have to provide the password for the administrator account, that is root. Okay, I want to use same password for both. Then click on next. Now see here we have to select the office suites. No office suite or LibreOffice or free office, whatever you want you can select. Then click on next. See, this is the installation summary. If you want to modify any one of these settings, click on back and you can edit. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on install. This is confirmation. Click on install now. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. At the end it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, Manjaro Linux 26.0 has been installed on your computer. You may now restart into your new system or continue using Manjaro Linux live environment. Okay, you want to restart now, so select this restart now checkbox and go to here, then select the virtual machine here, then select optical drive, then select remove disk from the virtual drive. See, now it is rebooting. Now provide the password that you have set for this user. If you don't want this welcome page always, you have to turn off like this. Turn on this. Okay, it is up to you. So select the language here. I'm closing this one. See, before we are having install Manjaro Linux application. Now it is gone. Okay, now open terminal. Now verify the version. more/etc os-release. See, we have installed Manjaro Linux, but here it is not showing the version. Okay, now update the packages. Sudo pacman -capsys -y, hit enter, then provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the super user. Hit enter. See, all packages are updated. If you want to see the applications, see here we have different applications. See, Office Suite. See here we have the LibreOffice, because we have selected LibreOffice at the time of installation. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Manjaro Linux 26 version on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.